Hello YouTube, I'm Afridi from DiGi and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm gonna tell you where is the magic wand in CapCut. Many people find it really difficult to find the magic wand and do not know how to use it, because when people are recording their screen there are no red circle around it or print for the touch, so it's like boom and they are inside the transition tab, so they miss the part where they click on the magic wand. So today I'm going to show you how to use it and what it is really for. Okay, so open CapCut and then click on plus to create a new project and done. So now add the videos, click on video and select one video and choose. So if you want to select another video, then you can also do that. And for this video we are gonna need two videos. Okay, yeah, this video, two video. Okay, so you can expand your composition timeline and then you can double click on a video. Then there is a magic wand down here. Click on it, you will see a plus icon. Click on the plus icon and then you will see a bunch of options. So these are all transitions. If you don't know what is transition, a transition is a short clip or effect that changes to another video, blends in the change to the other video, to the next video. For example, this is one transition. At the end of this transition another video will start, so we'll just delete this and show you another transition which will be shrink in and shrink out. So yeah, now when the second part is done another video will start. So this is transition. Okay, now we added a custom transition. If we do not like any of them, we can make a custom transition. Since we have two, starting and ending point, in the ending point we can do anything that we want from the start to happen till this time. So if we expand our video in the ending point, then the starting will just go towards the changes we have made. So if we want the contrast to be high or low or a high, so it will start from the normal contrast till the high, because these are the changes that we made in the last point that we didn't made in the first one. So you can see that these changes are applied in the time given to the transition. As we expand the transition it will take more time for the changes to happen. So we can do one really cool stuff with this. So when we add a transition, custom transition, and bring this custom transition to the end of the video where we want a really cool effect, so we can click on the ending and expand it like 3 times or maybe more than that, and choose in this one. So these are the way the changes are gonna happen. These slopes indicate in which speed they are gonna happen. So the way we choose is it will start slowly and then go directly to the changes. So now we can choose this one and go on the outer and the second one. So we also did the same to the second clip, but we added this transition in the starting and we added this slope which is smooth, but like not smooth, but the changes starts from fast to slow. So first we go quick and then we end slow. There are really cool stuff that you can do with these lines. These are like graph lines. The way they show it, the way your effects will be applied. So you can do great things with this little tool. It's in fact not little, but it's really big. Many magic videos are made possible by this. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, which is Aftab_Afridi. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.